Hey YouTube, it's your girl Lindsay Raven coming to you guys to show you how I installed my my frontal. Mind you, this has been a week, so it is a little crusty, but do not trip. I'm just going to be showing you guys everything I used and the steps that I took to lay it down. Okay? Alright. When cutting off your cap, you want to be very careful because you do not want to cut your skin. I would not suggest anybody use shears like I did. I did cut myself because it is super sharp, and sometimes you just don't know if that little lace you feel is actually skin. So take it from me, do not use shears if you are not fluent with shears, okay? So this is the wig that I'm going to be putting onto my head. This is a 26-inch deep curly wig that I've combed out. And now I'm just going to be slapping some foundation onto my ball cap method because you know that is not my complexion. And you know I got to make it look at least believable. So with that, I'm just going to start to lay down my lace. I'm going to clean my scalp with some alcohol 91 proof. And then I'm just going to lay down that glue, let it dry. I think I'm gonna do about 3, maybe 2 layers. I think I did 2 layers of glue. And I'm just gonna be putting that on, letting it dry, and then I'm gonna take it piece by piece. I'm not gonna lay the whole frontal down in one setting. I'm gonna put the middle down first, and then I'm gonna go to the sides because I just feel like, from what I've seen, it looks better. Okay, so my wig is glued down. I'm gonna wrap it and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna get right back into it, and I'm gonna start off with the baby hairs. I'm gonna be pulling them out and kind of sectioning them off, trying to figure out like how much baby hairs I want. Knowing that I'm gonna want a middle part, so my sides are gonna be showing like that, I'm not gonna really focus on that too much because Lord Jesus, them sides, they be playing. But anyway, so I'm just gonna section off my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna use some freeze spray to melt that lace into my skin just a little bit more, because right now you can see that it's not really melted. That's freeze spray. I let my hair dry for about 10-15 minutes. Now I'm about to take it out, and I'm gonna start to work on my baby hairs. I'm gonna use a hot comb, my plug-in hot comb, to kind of straighten them out a little bit, just so they can like start acting right, because you see they're looking real stale. Okay, so I'm gonna use that and just smooth them out real quick. These baby hairs real quick. Like, I know that I could have cut them a little bit shorter. I feel like I didn't cut them short enough, so keep in mind, ladies, to like kind of cut down your baby hair so that you don't have too much work to do. I feel like I had too much work to do compared to what I've seen other people do. So when cutting your baby hairs, please don't make them that long. Like, you're gonna have problems. Like, do not make it that long. You don't want to mesh it in with the hair that you want to be curling up and flipping around, because it's gonna mess up your baby hairs. So don't do that. edges are looking like after I laid my hair down and molded it. Now it's time for styling, so I'm not really gonna be showing you guys how I style this. I just wanted you guys to see like the baby hairs up close and up personal when it was freshly done, because when I actually did style it, it was like a week later, so don't judge a Negro. I just, was busy, you know what I'm saying? So this is the final look. This is what it came out to be. I absolutely love the frontal. This is my first time wearing a frontal, like out the house in public. And I loved it. I had it on for a week. This was like the day that I took it out. I decided to record something because I didn't record anything the whole time I had the frontal on, because I was just literally enjoying myself, okay? But yeah, thank you guys for watching my YouTube video on how to get your lace snitty snatch. If you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about it, anything I can learn, anything you gotta teach me, anything you wanna know. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. And if you're watching this, if you got to this far, like if you really got this far, can you please just subscribe? Like, come on. Learn with me and I'll learn with you, and we learn together. Okay, love you guys.